Welcome to the FUENTES Family Channel. My name is Lorie. In today's video, we are going to find province girls looking for true love here in Goa, Camarines, Bicol, Philippines. Okay, so we're not gonna waste our time. Enjoy the interviews. What is your name?
I'm Sheena Mario S. Villa.
I am Melody Sarah.
Jenilyn Corporal. Kailan may i-Hardinel po?
Lynn Atole.
My name is Ligaya Carolino.
Wow, that's a very beautiful name, Ligaya. Ligaya means happy. Nice to meet you, Shana. Okay, how old are you?
I'm 20 years of age
20
po.
years old. Are you studying?
Yes.
What is your course?
BS HM or BS Hospitality Management.
What is that?
It's basically tackling about the resort and how you are going to manage hotel and resorts, or
Wow.
it's focused on tourism.
Tourism. I see. That's beautiful. So what year are you now?
What?
What year are you now in college?
I'm already second year college at
Second year
BSU.
Okay. Are you single and ready to mingle, Sheena?
Single.
Okay, so how long have you been single?
Months.
Months. Wow. Okay, so are you looking for a true love?
Well, it depends how ready am I.
How ready are you now? From
Thir-
1 to 10.
5.
Oh, because you just broke up with your boyfriend, right?
Yes.
Do you still love him?
50-50.
Oh my goodness, not sure. Okay, but for the last question, would you date a foreigner?
Well, why not?
Why not? Wow, that's beautiful. Okay, so you are right. It depends to what will happen, right? If you
Yes.
feel like you love him already, then you're ready to go for.
It depends on the effort that he will lend on me,
Depends to the effort. I
Yeah.
see.
because I know my worth as a girl.
You know your worth. Nice to meet you, Melody. Very beautiful name. She's very beautiful. How old are you, Melody?
I am 19 years old.
Are you still studying?
Yeah, I am studying in Partido College.
Oh, what course are you taking?
Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics.
Wow, so she's gonna be a math teacher, right? That's a beautiful. Are you single and ready to mingle?
Yeah,
Okay. Are you looking for what do you call these? True love?
maybe.
Maybe. Oh, you're not sure.
I'm not because I am study first.
Study first. Okay. Well, would you date a foreigner?
Yes, of course. Why not?
Jeneline. That's a very cute name. Nice to meet you. But how old are you, Ate Jeneline?
26.
You're 26. What is your work? Here.
Canteen.
Canteen. Yeah, so they are selling food. She's like a waitress, right, Ate? Yes. Ate, are you single and ready to mingle?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Are you looking for true love?
Yes.
Yes. Wow. Would you date a foreigner?
Yes.
Okay. She has a friend here, but she's taken already over there. Say hi, Ate. These are the foods that they're selling here. Kaya May, that's a very beautiful name. Nice to meet you po. How old are you?
20 po.
20. Are you still studying?
Yes, I'm studying
What course are you taking?
Bachelor of Physical Education.
Oh, so you're gonna be a teacher.
Yes.
Okay. What year are you now?
I'm now
Mm-hmm.
now
Yeah. What year are you now in college? Second year?
third year.
Third year. Well, one more year and you will
Yes.
graduate. Well, congratulations
Thank you.
in advance, right?
Advance.
Are you single and ready to mingle?
Single but
Yes.
not ready to mingle.
Oh no, why?
No, I'm not. I don't want to commit.
For now.
Yes.
Yes. Maybe after you graduate, right?
Yes.
So you can wait, guys, one more year. Okay, but anyway, are you looking for true love? No, right? Since you said
For me, it's okay. Yes.
okay,
True
so
love.
okay, now I'm confused. You are not you're not going to mingle, but you're looking for true love.
Yes, but not mingle like that. It's so difficult to handle.
Oh, so you just want a serious relationship.
Yes.
Oh, that's a beautiful one. Here's for the last question. Would you date a foreigner?
I don't want.
Oh, why?
No, I'm not. Interested for that. I want Philippines also.
That's a very cute name, Lean. Nice to meet you po. It's very easy to remember. How old are you po?
33.
33. Are you working?
Yeah.
What is your work?
Secretary.
Wow. Okay. Do you have kids?
I have only one child.
Okay. So Atilin is a single mom. So one child. How old is your baby?
7 years.
Wow, it's big already. Okay. Here's the question. Are you single and ready to mingle?
Yes, I am.
Okay. Um, uh, are you looking for true love?
Yeah, I'm looking
Yes.
for a true love.
For good, right? Like
Yeah, for
someone
good.
that you'll get married, right?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. For the last question, would you date a foreigner, Atelin?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Do you have like what do you call these? Like type of man that you like?
Tall,
Tall,
dark,
dark, ooh,
handsome,
handsome,
blue eyes.
blue eyes. Nice to meet you, Ate Ligaya. How old are you, Ate Ligaya?
I'm 57 years old right now.
Wow, you don't look like you're 57. Mhm.
Many say that.
Yes, you look younger than
I'm
your age.
57 last June 24 this
Wow.
year.
So, Ate Ligaya, what is your job?
My job is a hairstylist and makeup artist.
Wow. I think if we have like an occasion, something like very formal, I can go back here and then
Yes.
ask you to do my makeup or you do my hair.
Yes, why not? Of course, I really appreciate to
How much
to
is for
go
makeup,
here.
ate? Like the
500.
500 up. So, ate, Ligaya, how long have you been single?
It's only 2 years.
2 years.
I'm separate.
Separated. Wow. Were you married?
Yes,
You were married. Do you have kids, Ate Ligaya?
yes, I have.
How many kids do you have?
I have 9 kids.
Oh, the same with Ate Pamela. So how old is your eldest, Ate Ligaya?
38 years old.
Wow. So your eldest he has or she has a family now, right?
Yes,
And your youngest, Ate Ligaya?
17 years old.
Are they all studying?
Yes.
That's good. Okay. So, Ate Ligaya, here's the other question. Okay. Are you interested in finding a good man?
Maybe yes, maybe no.
Maybe yes. Why did you say maybe yes?
Because it's not easy to find a good man.
That is true. And why no?
I'm scared.
You're scared. Well, it's still, how do you say, it's still new. 2 years ago, right? You were separated, so it's still new. Compared to Ate Pamela, she's been single for 6 years, right? Okay. So, do you prefer to date younger or older than you, Ate Ligaya?
Older.
Older than you. Would you date a foreigner? Yeah, foreigner.
No, 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 no.
You don't want foreigner? Foreigner? You don't like foreigner?
Yes, I like, but it's not easy right
It's
now
not easy right now. I see.
because I'm only 2 years separate.
Oh, separated. You still love your previous husband?
Yes, of course.
Ah, okay. So yes, it's 2 years is still new. I see. So you still love him, but who knows in the future, right, Ate Ligaya?
Yes.
Yes. If you met someone that is right for you and you feel like, oh, he's the one, then why not, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So what's your ideal man?
My ideal man is humble, gentleman, honest, and can support me sometimes.
Can support you.
Yeah.
Support you in what terms? Like what?
Support in uh, physically, emotionally, and sometimes in
Financially.
financially. Yes.
Uh,
We can't live without financially.
well, thank you so much, Ate Ligaya, for having this interview with us. Thank you, salamat. This is the place where they work. Tricks, paling ano, tricks sabi. Yan. Paling mo, digi palibot mo. Luway-luway lang. And then, pasiling digi pa. Digi pa, digi, digi. Luway-luway lang. Now, this is the place, guys, where Ate Ligaya and Ate Pamela working. So, this is their salon. Okay, so thank you so much.
Outside it showers, cold and dark, cats and dogs. Feel my heartbeat freeze a watch across the park. Curses storm that beats down on my face.